This video looks at how to store and use memory values. First, let's enter this value in Run Matrix. Then use Store Arrow and choose one of 26 letters such as A and execute. Answer memory can also be used for immediate calculations. We can now use this value in later calculations. To enter the calculation with the stored value, press sign A. Calculated values can also be stored directly. Press Store Arrow and choose another letter, then execute. Now let's see how to use multiple values in a calculation. Enter multiple variables in your calculation and execute. Then scroll up and change a stored value to easily recalculate.